Good morning, students. Welcome back to your online learning. As all of you know, today we are reading the second part of the story, Unke Munke Timpet 2. I hope you are enjoying the story because I really am. And do you remember what we read till now? Quickly close your eyes for like 10 seconds and revise what we have read in the story till now. Great. Let's move ahead. Our objective is same as the last time. We will be able to make connections of what we know with what we read. जो हमें already पता है और जो हम पढ़ रहे हैं उन दोनों के बीच में हम connection बनाएंगे. Okay? How will we do it? We will read the passage, we will annotate it, then we will think when the similar things have happened to us. Which characters remind you of whom? Which situations remind you of what? कौन सी कैरेक्टर आपको किसी की याद दिला रहे हैं, कौन सी सिचुएशन आपको किसकी याद दिला रही है, ये सब आपको सोचना है. ओके, सो what is already in your brain, you will use it to make connections to what you read. Great. And these are some sentence starters that we use while we make connections. I have already explained them to you in the last class. Quickly go through it once more. You don't have to write this again, okay? You have already written it in the last class. Don't write it again, but go through it once. Okay, so first part for today, which I will do for you, I'm reading it. Pay attention very carefully, okay? बहुत ध्यान से सुनिए whatever I'm reading. And if I tell you meaning of any new word, quickly write it down in your notebook. Shall we begin? Great. Okay, I said to Mook, if you come along with me, I will go to Mrs. Groover's garden tonight and do it. So now Rohan is saying that, okay, I will go and take turns of the tree and ask for my wish, but only if you come with me. Why should I come along? Asked Mook. I have no secret wish. Come on, let us go and wish for my table tennis set. So now Mook said कि मुझे तो कोई wish नहीं मांगनी. Why will I come for you? Why will I come to such go to such a dangerous principal's place? Then Rohan says कि come on ना मेरा table tennis wish मांगना है. Please come with me. So at 10 minutes to 12, and I met at the back of old Mrs. Groover's garden. Mook and I met. So both of them met, they decided to go. We climbed and sat on the boundary wall. We looked down into the garden, which was dark and silent in the dim light of the moon. So it was really dark and silent at the night. बहुत dim मतलब थोड़ी सी लाइट होना, बहुत थोड़ी सी लाइट थी, वो भी मून से आ रही थी. And there was a banyan tree, its aerial roots swaying in the gentle breeze of the night. Now, kids, there are few roots. You can ask this to Rajesh Bhaiya to give you more examples. In science, you might have studied. There are different kind of roots. So, banyan tree has aerial roots. तो banyan tree की roots ऐसे लटकती है. आपने टार्जन देखा होगा ना, ऐसे लटक के जाता है roots में. So those are called aerial roots. Those are not underground. Those fly in the like they are attached to the tree. और जब ऐसा हवा वगैरह चलती है तो वो हिलते रहते हैं. Swaying in gentle breeze मतलब moving from one side to another. We jumped down, reached the tree and looked around carefully. Imagine if she's awake. I whispered and pointed at Mrs. Groover's house. Nobody is awake at this ghostly hour of the night, hissed Mook. Now get going, run. Now they reached there and Rohan said कि what if Mrs. Groover अभी तक जाग रही हैं, हम उनके garden में, what if she is awake, she'll come to know. Then Mook says कि इतनी रात को कोई नहीं जाग रहा होता है, ghostly hour मतलब भूत जब आते हैं, तो it's so people say ना at 12 in the night ghosts come. So that's why he's saying कि इतनी रात को आधी रात को कोई जागता नहीं है. Now you quickly go and run. So this is the first part and let's see how we are answering the questions. Okay. First question is Mook came with Rohan even though he didn't have any secret wish to make. Whom does Mook remind you of? Now, as you read, Mook initially says that why should I come? I don't have any wish to make. But then he comes इतनी रात को इतने खतरनाक उसमें, just for his friendship. Now the question is कि आपको मुख किसकी याद दिला रहा है? Now this is Didi's answers. Okay, this is my answer. You have to write your own answer. My answer is Muk is a good friend. He reminds me of my best friend Pragya, who always used to accompany me whenever I needed her. So it is reminding Didi of her best friend, who always used to come with her whenever Didi needed her help. Try to make connection with what you read. Now, we have read one paragraph. The writer is saying कि अब इससे connection बनाओ कि आपके साथ जो भी आपने अभी तक पढ़ा कभी हुआ है. This situation makes me think about how we used to sneak into my hostel's kitchen late at night. So, after seeing how Rohan and Muk, they are quietly going to Mrs. Groover's garden, इतनी शांति से जा रहे हैं, तो ये दीदी को क्या याद दिला रहा है कि दीदी अपने हॉस्टल के किचन में रात रात को ऐसे ही जाते थे खाना खाने के लिए. ओके, सो दैट हम लोग के केयर टेकर वगैरह जग ना जाए, इसलिए वी यूज्ड टू गो साइलेंटली. So, bacha, this is the connection that Didi is making. Okay, you have to make your own connections. Got it? Great. Now, let's move ahead to the next paragraph. I will read this for you. But I won't explain. Okay. I ran as fast as I could, chanting, "Unke munke timpetu. I wish my wish is coming true," over and over again. So he's running and saying, "Unke munke timpetu. I wish my wish is coming true." I felt a bit scared. That was why I tried to get it over quickly and increased my speed. I increased the chanting too, and all the while I went on listening to the sounds of the night, a crackle here, a swish there. Suddenly, a ferocious bark tore the stillness of the night. Now, guess the meaning of the word ferocious, okay? Ferocious bark. अचानक से कोई भौंकता है और सब कुछ शांत हो जाता है. I froze. Inside Mrs. Groover's house, lights flashed on and the back door was pushed open. "Who is there?" called Mrs. Groover. "Answer or I will send the dog at you." Mook, I mumbled. "Say something." But Mook was climbing up the tree. When I saw Mrs. Groover's bend down to unleash the dog, I pleaded. Unleash मतलब उसको जो हम डॉग के गले में बांधते हैं उसको छुड़वाने के लिए. So when she got down अपना डॉग छोड़ने को, I pleaded, "Please don't send the dog at us. I will explain everything if you let me. Speak out soon," Mrs. Groover shouted. Okay. Now, bachcho, pause the video, read it very carefully and understand. Write down all the new words that you are reading. Write their meanings. If you're not understanding, you have to find the meanings. Okay? Great. I will quickly explain the questions to you. While Rohan is running and chanting and doing his work, he is also very scared. Did you also experience the times when you were very scared to do something but you still did it? When? Now they are saying कि रोहन काम तो कर रहा था, दौड़ रहा था, चैंट कर रहा था, पर बहुत डरा हुआ था. क्या आपके पास भी कोई ऐसा टाइम याद आता है जब आप अपना काम तो कर रहे थे पर आपको बहुत डर लग रही थी? You have to think and explain. What do you think will happen ahead in this story? Now you have to guess. Okay, now you have to pause the video and guess कि अब story में आगे क्या होगा. Make a sentence using the word mumble. Okay, great. Great. Let's move ahead. Pause the video, complete this work and only then, okay? Okay. Now this paragraph, I will not read for you. You will read it yourself and send me the audio. Thank you so much, Narendra, for sharing your audio with me. He shared his audio with me in the last class. Nobody else shared. Today, I want everybody to share their audios with me, okay? Read it aloud और ऐसे ही tone में पढ़िए जैसे लिखा हुआ है. When Mrs. Groover's part come, you have to be little angry. और जब बच्चे का part आ रहा है, आपको थोड़ा डर के बोलना है, okay? Read it, write down this paragraph and annotate it. And once you are done, this is the question. You have to use the starters that are given at the start of the video and you have to relate with the story. अभी कोई particular incident की बात नहीं कर रहे, पूरी story में से आपने जितनी अभी तक पढ़ी, जो भी चीज आपको सबसे ज्यादा खुद से related लगती है, वो situation हो सकते हैं, वो कोई इंसान हो सकते हैं, उसके बारे में आपको लिखना है using 100 words. It could be any situation, it could be other person, you could relate it to yourself, okay? And last 3 questions are for your understanding. If you hear about something that fulfills your wishes, would you try it? Do you think Rohan is brave? Why? After reading this story, what kind of a person do you think Mrs. Groover is? अब आपको सोचना है कि मिसेस ग्रूवर कैसी इंसान थी, okay? बच्चे pause the video, finish all your work, send your work today itself, okay? Nobody will send it tomorrow. I have seen most of you are being lazy these days. If you have a volunteer Didi, you will send your work to them. If not, you will send your work to me, okay? If you have any doubt, you can reach out to me. I will wait for all the answers on WhatsApp. Happy learning, bachcho. I will see you in the next class.